Sharma and you're watching me on adgully.com.
For you,
Yes.
releases. So, what kind of response you've been getting for your projects, which are quite different from one another?
They are very different and I'm glad that people are liking that I'm doing different stuff and not trying to put me into just one character. For an actor, that's the best thing. So right now life is good. Have you seen any of the three?
I have seen Kerala Story and Sunflower. So,
I take your interview. कैसे लगी आपको Kerala
I
Story?
like both of them because they are contrasting characters. So,
Thank you. Which
get
one
to
do
see
you like
them.
more? You finished Sunflower, you watched the whole thing?
Yeah, Sunflower I like
Okay.
because that is like a very fun kind of a
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, it was a break for me also. It was nice.
from serious.
Yes.
So how was it to switch off from one character to the other, then again to the other?
I know everyone's been asking me that, and I don't know. I work with heart. So if I'm Rosie, then I believe I'm Rosie, and I believe I'm this charming, hot woman. If I'm Neerja Madhavan in Bastar, I believe I'm this cop who's this soldier who's saving our country and fighting against people who are against our country. If I'm Shalini Mini Krishnan, I believe I'm this college girl who's I try to do that, and the rest, I guess, put in your all at every stop. I think for a role, when I get something, I put in everything I can. Yeah.
Talking about Bastar, Junior, it is a tough role here. So I want to know a bit to behind story. I like last time when you said that I had to work a lot on everything, like
Yes.
from holding the gun to everything.
Yes.
So I want to know a bit more about it.
Everything, because again the characters physically also I have to look really large. I put on weight also because like my hands can't look like even though it's fully covered, but it had to look really tough. The way I stand also, nothing could be Leela or like nothing could be casual. That character is not, and I think it really a very casual person sitting and all. Sometimes I'm not. I don't know. She's very. Vocal. She's somebody who will really fight for. I'm someone who stands with the truth, but I'm someone who stands with the truth who will say, I hope the truth prevails. But she's someone who will make sure, who put in all stops, who will get the right. And so to be that person, I think your headspace also has to be thoda alag. And physically also alag. So yeah.
Did it leave any mark on you personally going through that training and seeing those situations?
Definitely, yeah, I think physically and mentally. Physically, because those guns were really heavy. I've never had back pains in my life till before. I used to always tell people that I'm so strong, but I never done weight training ever before. And here on set, we used to go and pick up those 8 kilo guns, run with them, fall with them, roll on the ground with them. And I got this really terrible backache through it. So physically, that happily I got the backache, but glad I could get that role to get the backache also, so it was all fine. But yeah, the backache I did get, and mentally, of course, it totally changes you when you see that soldiers from your own country. I'm very close to our armed forces. My dad was in the Navy, so I feel very one with our armed forces, and we as girls can be so free, walk around in our country because of our armed forces, because they're taking such good care of us. So when anyone does anything wrong to them, I feel personally very
When we work so hard on movies, still people say that makers are promoting propaganda through this film. So how does it feel to you as an actor?
when first Kerala Story released and people who had a problem, I was like, Arey, but see the film, no, I didn't have a problem. You all have not seen. Which I still believe. I feel when whoever has a problem, if they see it, they'll not have a problem. Because I don't think anybody stands up for terrorism. I think every sane person is against terrorism. So once they watch a movie that's against terrorism, they will definitely also stand with the film. It's just that they have not watched it yet. So I'd like to think very positively that they'll all watch it very soon, and whoever has a problem with it, they also want to know.
Do you think in future you will be offered similar kind of role? So do you want to do something different or pass out a message so that you will get different kind of roles?
No, I think like you said, there was Sunflower and Kerala Story, and everyone I meet, I ask them which one you like better. So you said Sunflower. I meet somebody else who says Kerala Story. I meet somebody else who says, you do only movies like Bastar, okay? I meet somebody else who says, please just do Commando type. I want to see you doing only action and you have to do. I meet someone else who says, do only comedy. आपको कौन सी पसंद है? Commando. See, he's smiling, big smile he has on his face because Commando. And I meet people and they say, why are you not doing Commando? Do Commando 5, 6, 7, 8 and all. Kerala story later. Then I meet people who will say, do only Kerala story type movies. Then I meet people who say 1920 जैसे horror क्यों नहीं कर रहे? So and Hasi to Fasi. So everyone who comes and meets me now, you're saying Hasi to Fasi and Santla. He said Commando. That girl that said only Kerala story is her favorite and only movies like that. I said okay. So no, I'm getting everything to do. I think it's rare that an actor gets to do everything and people are accepting different ones. I'm happy I'm known for different ones with different people and I'm happy everyone's favorite is a different one. Means then I can in future also try different roles and the audience will be on my side and accept it.
Also, I want to know, people's love is important, I know, but does awards and rewards matter to you when you get nomination or maybe get award for whatever hard work you have done? Does it matter to you? Does it put any responsibility on you if you get an award?
Responsibility I don't know, but I'm human, yeah. I made a movie and if people like it, of course मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है अगर आपको कोई award दे रहा है. I got the दादा साहेब फाल्के award. I was very happy, yeah. I'm human, of course. I'm a normal girl like any girl who's done a movie. So it's like आपको कैसे लगा? किसी ने तारीफ की, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Audience को आपकी फिल्म पसंद आई, बहुत अच्छा लगा. Award मिला, बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I think any sort of validation is nice and of course the audience is giving me validation throughout the day, every day. But I like awards also, yeah. Any sort of validation I think is really nice. A film that is done so well and box office पे 303 करोड़ से ज़्यादा अगर आपने it's broken record by history and all. So then awards also मिलते हैं तो सब मुझे बहुत सब अच्छा लगता है.
But that recognition is important for you in life. What do you think about it?
I recognize that and maybe it does give a sense of it puts a stamp that this person got awarded for that role. Maybe in perception for the other people who might be casting you. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We'll have to ask filmmakers that actually. I'm not sure if it makes a difference to them or not. It's an interesting question. I want to know from filmmakers. Like, does that make a difference if you're casting someone or not? I don't know. But for me as an actor, and I'm just a normal girl, yeah. I've done a movie, so if someone is giving me an award and saying very good, because an award is validation, right? It's like congratulations for this lovely movie you did. Thank you, I'll take it. Thank you for congratulating me. So, but for makers, I don't know if it makes a difference or not. I'm not sure if it makes a difference or not.
Also, I have to know when people scrutinize you for every minor thing, does it affect you? Because a lot of people take social media very seriously and it affects their daily life, or maybe they think about likes or clicks which they get for their maybe pictures or maybe for any tweet or anything. So how do you take that? That
No,
minor scrutiny which people do.
That again, I'm human, so if somebody suddenly says something, it will push me off. Like I'll be like, what, like, what? Of course that will happen. I'm not some Buddha who can just say nothing affects me and say whatever. Of course, I will be a little affected, now, but not about likes and वो सब मैं नहीं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ उसमें. I think that's a very it's a rabbit hole. Once you get into it, you're just gonna go down. So वो सब नहीं. I'm very happy. I have a great fan following on social media. मैं अजीब चीज़ें भी डालती हूँ कभी कभी. I put whatever I feel like. I like to share things. I like to share memes. I like to share. मैं कुत्ते के साथ खेल रही हूँ या हाथी के साथ हूँ, वो मैं शेयर करती हूँ. अभी उसमें मैं लाइक्स नहीं जाके ये करती हूँ. I like to answer some comments and all some language. Scrutinizing all, yeah, but I also somebody who you have to tell me like what the problem is, and then I'll randomly, if you have a problem with something, then I don't get affected. Also, who is saying what about what? You have some 0 followers, you make some account just to give me abuses and you abuse. Then I won't sit and feel bad that you've abused me. I don't take your abuses. आप ही रख लो. Because I'm on a very strict diet. मैं गालियाँ नहीं खा सकती हूँ. वो बहुत high calorie होते हैं. और मैं नहीं खाती हूँ.
And what is next for Anna now?
There's lots of stuff happening. have to figure our dates and see where we can push what stuff to happen because I'm doing a lot of things. There's an international project also happening, but I'm somebody who till things happen now. I don't want to talk about them like with Kerala also. We didn't tell anyone I was doing it and we said, hi, trailer is there. Sunflower also, when we shot it, I didn't tell anyone. Bastar also. Like Sunflower, when the trailer came out, people were like, you are doing, you didn't tell, and I was like, surprise. So I want to do that for most of my things. I also want to do other things other than just movies, like we're doing something with wildlife, with elephants. I'm doing something with an animal hospital called Tolfa. We're helping abused animals. And there are a lot of other things I want to do with music, with dance, with other than just movies. I love doing movies, I really enjoy it. Fortunately, I had like 4 releases in less than a year. Kerala, Commando, Sunflower, Bastar. And I would love to do more movies and I think there's a lot of things coming. I hope they think of me for the other projects that they have, and I'm sure if they have anything like really interesting, they seem to like me. If they took me in Kerala and Commando and Bastar, I hope so. Because I had taken Vidyut for, I think he's still done 2 more projects than me with him. So there's a competition with him and me now. So let's bring that in. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I hope whenever he has an interesting role and thinks about me for it, love to.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
all the best.